So, hi future homeowners. So, together with me, si Sir Luigi, na nag-share kanina, who is our project development dito sa Alviera na manager, di ba, sir?
Yep.
So, just to give us a wrap up, no, dun sa shinare nyo kanina, and the most exciting part, which is the Alviera destination, di ba? So, yun, sir, feel free to wrap up everything sa kanila.
Yeah.
Yun.
So first of all, thank you guys for coming. Thank you. Well, basically, we call this day because we want to share with everybody that finally, for 2025, we are activating Alviera in all fronts. So what does that mean? This is the year that we are activating Alviera in all its estate components, starting from industrial, we have residential, commercial, our institutional locators, we have Miriam College and the La Salle Botanical Gardens. We are even elevating the country club experience. And finally, with all these traffic, no, we are launching our Alviera Destination Retail, which will cater to all the traffic coming from all the different estate components. So finally, it's happening. We're very happy that Alviera will finally be integrated and we will now serve you the commercial activation that you've been waiting for.
And that's really sounds exciting, no, sir? And earlier, may nagtanong din when it comes to the timeline. Kasi we're very much excited with this kind of development, no, that is happening with Alviera. So, the timeline, kailan pinaka magagawa or completed yung sa Alviera destination?
So all I can tell you is that the phase 1 of the Alviera Destination Retail will be up by next year.
Wow. Sige, sir. Ayun, that's why we have to stay tuned with our vlog and hoping na we could give to the existing investors and to the future clients.
I will see you on your next one.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, guys.
Bye. So, bye-bye.
Bye, guys.